Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a simple way when you can't start an application on your PlayStation 5. Now, if you do have like a little lock symbol or something next to it, or it's a digital game, or a disc version of the game, go up to Settings right here and select this, and go to Users and Accounts. Then scroll on down to where it says Other, and then go to Restore Licenses. And this says if you become unable to use content you download from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses. Go ahead and try restoring the licenses and see if this works. Then you can also go up to console sharing and offline play and just make sure this is enabled. Now, if you are using the disc version of a game, make sure you're cleaning off the disc thoroughly. Any kind of smudges or fingerprints could be causing it to not install or work or launch correctly. So I'm just using a microfiber cleaning cloth that I got with my glasses. It doesn't scratch the disc. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.